If you're experiencing repeated payment declines on Snapchat, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that the card details, including the expiration date and billing address, are entered correctly. Step 2. Update Snapchat app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Snapchat app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help resolve temporary glitches. Go to your device settings, find Snapchat in the app list, and select the option to clear the cache. Step 4. Contact your bank. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Reach out to Snapchat support. If the issue persists, contact Snapchat support for assistance. Provide them with details about the payment issue, and they can help troubleshoot further or identify any account-related problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment declines on Snapchat. If problems continue, consider exploring alternative payment methods or seeking further assistance.